name's Alison Pollock, and for my project plan, I decided to stop using plastic water bottles. At home, I have 2 garbage cans, one for compost and one for plastic water bottles. I was buying so many that my garbage can was overflowing, maybe once a week. So I decided to do some research and find out where these water bottles were actually going and where they came from. And I found out that in the US, we use 1,500 plastic water bottles a year, which is a lot of water bottles. And usually they end up in landfills instead of being disposed of properly. So instead of taking maybe a year or 2 to decompose, they're sitting around for lifetimes and they're ruining our environment. I became more interested in the topic and wanted to learn more. I went online and did some research and found onegreenplanet.org. They had lots of useful information that I used to create my project plan. And when looking at that site, I learned all about what these plastic water bottles are doing to humans, not just the environment. Bisphenol A is the main chemical found in these plastic water bottles, and while it may help the product look nice and beautiful for sale, it's very dangerous to humans. It's what creates the hard and shiny plastic. To do so are extremely dangerous to humans. They've been proven to cause many different types of cancer, fertility issues in men and women, neurological damage, birth defects, early puberty in girls, and premature. Unfortunately, humans are not the only mammals being hurt by all of this misuse of plastic waste. Many marine animals, such as turtles, a family of albatross birds, seals, and packs of dolphins are confusing plastic for food, which is eventually causing their death. Which was once a beautiful ocean is now polluted with plastic water bottles, plastic bags, and many other plastic items. Recently, a sperm whale was found washed up on a beach in North America. Its intestines were blocked by large plastic water bottles, plastic bags, and other plastic merchandise. Unfortunately, this led to its death. An albatross's stomach was cut open after its demise, and inside, researchers found many plastic objects. There were plastic spoons, plastic forks, plastic water bottle remains, and many other pieces. This caused its intestines to block up, which caused its death. This sea turtle, mistaking plastic for food, may now die because its intestines are being blocked by this hazardous material. In the same fashion, otters are also mistaking plastic for food and eating it. This may lead to their death or could stop them from eating their food, which would cause them to starve. The final impact that plastic bottles have on the environment is the difficulty of recycling the plastic bottles. Contrary to popular belief, only certain types of plastics can be recycled by certain municipalities. The majority of bottles end up in landfills, putting dangerous chemicals into the ground or find their way into our streets and oceans as litter. I plan to use my reusable water bottle instead of buying more and more plastic bottles that are harming our environment. Instead of sending more garbage to landfills that's going to stay around for lifetimes, filling up my water bottle whenever I see fit will help limit that waste. I know that by myself I can only make a small difference, which is why I'm trying to enlist the help of family and friends and you in helping change the environment for the better.